So you're curious about what are some of the best cattle scales for sale in the marketplace? Great, let's take a look at some different cattle scale options available. Some of the best rated cattle scales are the simple portable weigh beam scales that can easily be placed under chutes or platforms. When you think of the best portable cattle scales, you often think of the weigh beam kits along with portable scales like the Brecknell PS2000. Best of all, these weigh beam kits and portable scales can be designed to be everything from portable hog scales to single animal livestock scales. Many of you do-it-yourself type customers will appreciate our selection of livestock scale kit choices available. These build-your-own scale kits include virtually everything you need to build platform scales for livestock, like load cells, weight displays, and more. If you're looking for the top-of-the-line choices for the best cattle scale for sale, then you probably need to check out the Cardinal Weight Wrangler livestock scales. These portable cattle scales are built tough and designed to provide years of accurate livestock weighing. Best of all, you can buy one of these Cardinal livestock scales to be used in one location, or make it portable and carry it wherever you need it. Be sure to check out our website centralcarolinascale.com to get started. Chances are we have the animal weight scale you're looking for. Complete our request for quote form online, or give us a call at 919-776-7737